Alright, so this is just a real quick video. This is for 2019 Dodge Charger key fob remote. I'm sure plenty of the Dodges are the same similar models. So first thing is we got this little sleeve around here, so we're going to take that off. So in order to do that, you got to take this keyring off first. So I got that keyring off. This style here is just an Amazon style remote. Sleeve, you just pop that back out there. Here, if you're near the vehicle, you're going to want to push like somewhere where you're not pushing on a button. The vehicle's not near me right now, so it doesn't really matter which button I push to slide this out of here. Alright, so now the actual casing is completely off the entire ordeal. So the next step here is going to be flipping this lever out to pull the actual key out. With that key out, there's this little slot right here. Let's see if I get a good view here on the camera. So this slot right here, I'm going to go ahead and take this key. I'm going to put it in this slot here, not the slot that the key actually goes in, but right underneath it. I'm going to lay it flat and twist, and that twist is going to pop this open. So now, kind of work with it just a little bit. There you go. So now that that's open, battery's right here. Once again, take the key, just kind of flop the battery right out. So reverse method, you're going to take this piece here, right? The actual label of the battery, the CR2032, that's going to face down. Then you just click this back together with the new battery in there, obviously. Take the key, put the key back in its home, send it home, and reassemble it. It's that simple.